Welcome to Dr. S. Thapar Academy, where you'll learn to earn money online effortlessly and professionally, without spending a penny. Join us for expert business and financial growth strategies. It's Graham Stephan here, and today we're diving into a topic that's more relevant than ever: how to make money without ever leaving your house. That's right, we're talking about legitimate ways to earn money online and ditch that dreaded commute. Now, I know what you're thinking. Graham, is this another one of those get-rich-quick schemes? Absolutely not. We're going to be real and practical here. These are proven methods that require effort and dedication, just like any job, but with the added benefit of working from your couch in your pajamas. We'll be covering everything from freelancing and online businesses to remote jobs and passive income streams. You'll learn how to leverage your skills, find the right platforms, and start generating real income. So whether you're looking to quit your 9-to-5, make some extra cash on the side, or just explore new opportunities, this video is for you. Let's get started. Alright, so let's kick things off with freelancing. Freelancing is a fantastic way to leverage your skills and turn them into a steady income stream. It's a flexible and often lucrative career path that allows you to work on your own terms. Now, freelancing is essentially being your own boss. You get to decide when you work, where you work, and who you work with. This level of control is something that traditional jobs often lack. You're offering your skills and services to clients all over the world on your own terms. This means you can work with clients from different countries, expanding your network and gaining diverse experiences. No more office politics, no more rigid schedules. You're in control. Imagine being able to take a break whenever you want, or even working from a beach if you feel like it. The freedom is unparalleled. Think about it. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, coding, marketing, virtual assistants. These are just a few examples of skills that are in high demand. The beauty of freelancing is that it allows you to monetize your unique talents. These are all in-demand skills that businesses are willing to pay for, and you can offer them from anywhere in the world. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or traveling, as long as you have an internet connection, you can work. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer act as marketplaces connecting freelancers with potential clients. These platforms make it easier for you to find work and get paid for your services. You create a profile, showcase your skills, set your rates, and boom, you're in business. It's like having your own online store where clients can browse your services and hire you for projects. And the best part is, most of these platforms are free to join, so you can start offering your services with zero upfront investment. This means you can start earning money without having to spend any first. For example, let's say you're a whiz at web design. Web design is a highly sought-after skill, and businesses are always looking for talented designers to create or improve their websites. You could easily find clients on Fiverr who need websites built, and charge anywhere from $50 to $1,000 per project, depending on the complexity. The more complex the project, the higher the pay. That's real money, guys, and you're building a valuable portfolio along the way. Each project you complete adds to your experience and showcases your skills, making it easier to attract more clients in the future. Another great aspect of freelancing is the opportunity for continuous learning. You can take online courses to improve your skills or learn new ones, making you even more marketable. Networking is also crucial. Join online communities, attend virtual events, and connect with other freelancers. Building a strong network can lead to more job opportunities and collaborations. Set clear goals for your freelancing career. Whether it's earning a certain amount of money, working with specific clients, or achieving a work-life balance, having goals will keep you motivated and focused. Celebrate your milestones. Every project completed, every positive review, and every new client is a step towards your success. Acknowledge your achievements and use them as motivation to keep going. Ultimately, freelancing offers a unique opportunity to balance work and life. You can spend more time with family, pursue hobbies, and enjoy a lifestyle that suits you. It's about creating a career that fits your life, not the other way around. So if you have a skill that you can offer, consider freelancing. It's a path that offers freedom, flexibility, and the potential for a rewarding income. Your skills are your greatest asset, and freelancing is a way to turn them into a thriving career. Alright, moving on to another exciting avenue: online teaching and tutoring. This is a field that has seen exponential growth in recent years, and it's not hard to see why. With the advent of technology and the internet, education has become more accessible than ever before. No longer are we confined to the traditional classroom setting. Now learning can happen anytime, anywhere. Now this one's for all you knowledge enthusiasts out there. Whether you're a seasoned professional or just someone with a passion for a particular subject, there's a place for you in the world of online education. The beauty of this field is that it caters to a wide range of expertise and interests. If you've got expertise in any subject, whether it's math, which is always in high demand due to its universal application and necessity in various fields, science, which continues to captivate curious minds with its endless possibilities and discoveries, history, which offers invaluable lessons from the past, music, which enriches our lives and provides a creative outlet, or even underwater basket weaving, a unique and niche skill that might surprise you with its dedicated following. There's an audience eager to learn from you. People are constantly seeking to expand their knowledge and skills, and the internet has made it easier than ever to connect with learners from all over the world. The online education market is booming, guys. According to recent studies, the global online education market is expected to reach a staggering $350 billion by 2025. This growth is driven by the increasing demand for flexible learning options and the rising adoption of digital technologies. More and more people are turning to online platforms for accessible and affordable learning options. These platforms offer a wide range of courses and subjects, catering to different learning styles and preferences. Whether you're looking to learn a new language, pick up a new hobby, or advance your career, there's something for everyone. This presents a massive opportunity for you to share your knowledge, make a difference, and earn a pretty penny while you're at it. Platforms like VIP Kid, Chegg Tutors, and Teachable are changing the game. They provide the tools and resources you need to create and deliver high-quality educational content. And Teachable are changing the game. Teachable, for instance, allows you to create your own online courses and sell them to a global audience. You can design your course content, set your own prices, and even offer discounts and promotions to attract more students. VIP Kid connects you with students primarily in China who are looking to learn English online. This platform is particularly popular among native English speakers who want to teach English as a second language. The demand for English teachers in China is high, and VIP Kid provides a convenient way to meet this demand. You don't need any formal teaching qualifications, just a passion for language and a knack for engaging with kids. The platform provides all the necessary training and resources to help you succeed. Plus, the flexible schedule allows you to teach at times that are convenient for you. On the other hand, Chegg Tutors is a great option for those with expertise in specific subjects like math, science, or even test prep. This platform connects you with students who need help with their studies, offering one-on-one tutoring sessions that can be conducted online, science, or even test prep. Test preparation is a particularly lucrative area, as many students are willing to pay a premium for help with exams like the SAT, ACT, GRE, and more. Your expertise can make a significant difference in their academic performance and future opportunities. You can set your own hours, tutor students one-on-one, and earn up to $20 an hour or more, depending on your experience and the subject matter. The flexibility and earning potential make online tutoring an attractive option for many people. So if you're passionate about teaching and want to make a positive impact, now is the perfect time to get started in the world of online education. Alright, so maybe freelancing isn't your thing. You don't want to be a teacher, and running your own online business sounds like a lot of work. Totally get it. But that doesn't mean you're out of options. You could always join the world of remote customer service. Think about it. Companies like Amazon, Apple, even your favorite luxury car brand, they all need people to answer calls, respond to emails, and basically keep their customers happy. And these days, they're totally fine with you doing that from your living room. The best part? A lot of these jobs are full-time gigs, which means benefits, people. Health insurance, paid time off, the works. You get the stability of a 9-to-5 without ever having to actually commute to a 9-to-5. So how much can you make? Well, it varies, but let's say you land a remote customer service job with Amazon. You're looking at around $15 an hour, sometimes more. Not bad for chilling in your PJs, right? Okay, so maybe you're more of the entrepreneurial type. You like the idea of being your own boss, setting your own hours, and maybe even building a whole brand around something you're passionate about. If that sounds like you, then selling products online might be right up your alley. And listen, When I say products, I'm not just talking about physical stuff. Sure, you could sell handmade crafts on Etsy, vintage clothes on eBay, or even create your own line of t-shirts. But the online world opens up a whole other realm of possibilities. Think digital products, people. Ebooks, online courses, stock photos, printables, the list goes on and on. The beauty of digital products is that you create them once and you can sell them an unlimited number of times. No inventory, no shipping costs, just pure profit. And the best part? Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon make it incredibly easy to get started. They handle all the technical stuff so you can focus on what you do best, creating awesome products and getting them in front of the right customers. Alright, now let's talk content creation. Because in the age of YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, there's never been a better time to make money by simply sharing your passions with the world. And the best part? Content creation can be anything you want it to be. Love video games? Start a YouTube channel reviewing the latest releases. Got a knack for photography? Build an Instagram following and sell your prints. Passionate about personal finance? Well, you know, I've done all right for myself talking about money on the internet. The key here is to find your niche, something you're genuinely interested in and knowledgeable about. Because trust me, people can spot inauthenticity a mile away. But if you're creating content that you're truly passionate about, that passion will shine through and people will be drawn to it. And once you've built an audience, the monetization possibilities are endless. You can run ads on your YouTube videos, partner with brands on sponsored Instagram posts, even launch your own online courses or membership sites. Alright guys, let's talk about a field that's absolutely booming right now, virtual assistant services. Think about it. So many businesses, especially small ones, need help with the day-to-day stuff. That's where you come in. You could be managing emails, scheduling appointments, handling social media. Basically, you're the behind-the-scenes hero, keeping everything running smoothly. And the best part? You can do all of this from your couch in your pajamas if you want to. Now, what kind of skills are we talking about? Organization is key, obviously. Being good with communication, both written and verbal, is super important. And if you're tech-savvy, comfortable with different software and platforms, that's a huge plus. The great thing about being a virtual assistant is that you can often specialize. If you're a whiz with social media, awesome, focus on that. More into the organizational side? Perfect. There are tons of businesses that need help with scheduling and project management. Okay, let's be real. You're not going to get rich filling out surveys online, but that doesn't mean it's not worth your time. If you're looking for a way to make a little extra cash in your free time, maybe while you're binge-watching Netflix or catching up on your favorite shows, online surveys and market research can be a pretty easy way to do it. It's a low-effort way to turn your downtime into a bit of extra income. There are tons of companies out there that want to know what consumers think about their products and services. They rely on this feedback to improve their offerings and stay competitive in the market, and they're willing to pay you for your opinion. It might not be a lot, but every little bit helps, right? Plus, it's kind of nice to know that your thoughts and preferences are being heard and valued. It's not glamorous, but hey, money is money, right? And who doesn't like a little extra cash in their pocket? Whether it's for a coffee, a small treat, or just to save up for something bigger, it all adds up. Now, there are a lot of different platforms out there, and they all work a little differently. Some might have more surveys available, while others might offer higher payouts. It's worth exploring a few to see which ones work best for you. Some of the popular ones are Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Pinecone Research. Each of these platforms has its own unique features and benefits, so it's a good idea to sign up for a few and compare. You sign up for an account, fill out some information about yourself, and then you start getting matched with surveys. The more detailed and accurate your profile, the better the matches you'll get. The surveys themselves can vary a lot. Some might be about your shopping habits, while others could be about your opinions on new products or services. Some might just be a few quick questions, taking only a couple of minutes to complete, while others could take 20 or 30 minutes. The length and complexity of the survey usually determine how much you'll get paid, and the pay reflects that, obviously. Shorter surveys might only earn you a few cents, but they add up over time. You might earn a few cents for a short survey, which might not seem like much at first, or a couple of bucks for a longer one. Over time, these small amounts can accumulate, giving you a nice little bonus for your efforts. One of the great things about online surveys is the flexibility they offer. You can do them whenever you have a few spare minutes, whether it's during your morning coffee, on your lunch break, or while you're winding down in the evening. Plus, it's a low-pressure way to earn. There's no boss looking over your shoulder, no deadlines to meet, and no stress. You can do as many or as few surveys as you like, depending on your schedule and how much extra cash you want to make. To maximize your earnings, it's a good idea to set aside a little time each day or week to complete surveys. Consistency is key. The more active you are, the more opportunities you'll get. Also, keep an eye on your email for survey invitations. Some platforms send out notifications when new surveys are available, so you can jump on them quickly before they fill up. In the end, while you won't get rich from online surveys, they can be a fun and easy way to earn a little extra money. It's all about making the most of your free time and turning it into something productive. So why not give it a try? Sign up for a few platforms, start sharing your opinions, and watch those small earnings add up. Every little bit counts, and who knows, you might even enjoy it. Alright guys, that's a wrap on today's video on the best ways to earn from home. Hopefully you picked up some new ideas and feel inspired to start building your own work-from-home empire. We covered a lot of ground today, from freelancing your skills and teaching others online to becoming a customer service pro from your couch and diving into the world of e-commerce. There are so many possibilities out there. Remember, the key is to find something that you enjoy and that fits your skills and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to experiment and try different things until you find the perfect fit. And who knows, you might just surprise yourself with how much you can achieve working from home. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Dr. S. Thapar Academy for more tips on making money online. And don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. See you in the next one.